मनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। शांति शांति शांति। The Shanti mantra, when you pronounce Shanti, so under Ti should be down. It should be Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So there is a Anudat there, whereas in Purnamada it is not like that. See the difference? It is Purnamada is Om Shanti Shanti Shanti, whereas in all other mantras Ti is coming down. Shanti Shanti Shanti. In Purnamada Sha is coming down. Shanti Shanti Shanti. You get it? And in Sahana Bhavatu, last will go up. Shanti Shanti Shanti. This Purnamada last is not going up. So we were seeing, if you have not understood, don't worry. We will see it later on. If all appear same, it's fine. Those who are, but some of you are already in Vedic chanting, you will know that. Now it was said in the 24th mantra, I said that 23rd and 24th mantra are the incidental diversions for Gyan Sadhana. For the sadhana. This is one way, and these both the mantras are very important, considered, and try to understand that. So in 24th mantra, 23rd mantra, Mumukshatva was mentioned. In 24th mantra, Shat Sampatti is mentioned. So in 23rd mantra, Tivra Mumukshatva was mentioned. I told you last ladder was the Tivra Mumukshatva Jigyasa in the 7 point, how a seeker progresses, which was one of the Sadhan Chatushta, fourfold qualifications, Vivek, Vairag, Shat Sampatti and Mumukshatva. And in this mantra, Shat Sampatti is covered. What was the Shat Sampatti seen here? Na virato duscharitat. So, what do you mean by that? Meaning is that lifestyle should be moral. If you, I say in, have you heard Patanjali Yoga Sutras? Anybody has heard? Ashtanga Yoga. Ashtanga Yoga, 8-fold. So those who have not, some of you may not have heard. Ashtanga Yoga, the yoga has 8 limbs. So those who are new, they can write it. Yama, second is Niyamaha. See, I'm just trying to put this point. We'll describe it later on. Yamaha, Niyamaha. Third is Asana, Asanam, Pranayama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. All of you have written it. This also you have to keep in mind. Very frequently used. very, very frequently. Yamaha, Niyamaha. When I say Niyamaha, I'm putting a visarg there. Actually, it is Yama. When you pronounce Sanskrit word, try to put like Yama, Niyamaha, Asan, Asanam or Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. Right? So in that, moral lifestyle means Yama and Niyam. So that, what is that moral lifestyle? I told you, moral lifestyle means your association with some person, especially of opposite gender. Your association with the person should be dharmic and not sensual. One point. What I feel is the meaning of moral lifestyle. Number two, your association with some money-oriented thing, land, money, etc. These two things should be dharmic, clean and clear. There should be no hushed area. There should be no. It should not be hidden under something. But if supposing it is hidden, then if it is hidden, then the problem will be your mind will become very misfit and unfit for anything. So prajnanenam na prapnuyat. He will not get in this knowledge because it is very occupying area. What adharm does, adharm makes your mind very agitated and full of some useless topic. When a person lacks character, I'll tell you what are the losses. You have to live. Firstly, you will have a lot of guilt. But second thing, your mind will be unnecessarily full of and occupied with that unnecessary thinking. So you will not be able to even listen properly. Forget about doing manan, etc. So one should be very guarding these things. One should not be very, mind should not be available to read everything. Mind should not be available to see everything. Be very choosy and selective. What you think, what you see, what you talk, what you hear, what website you see, what person you meet, whom you get close to. Be very choosy. No need to get close to everybody. You can say hello, hi, how are you, fine. Don't get sticky everywhere. This is a very bad habit of getting involved everywhere in the name of help, so-called. Sympathy help will make you helpless, I tell you. You be with everybody, but no need to touch everybody, no need to get very close to anybody, no need to allow everybody to come in your room, especially if you're a boy and girl, right? So if somebody is, this is not very great manners. Remember Nachiketa's character I showed when he went to Yamraj? Only ladies were in the house. So he kept outside for 3 days. He could have gone, and he was only just child only. But I think that time decorum must be like that. So to try to be very selective somewhere. No need to think on all topics. No need to see everything. No need to touch. No need to be very social on all aspects. Be very good. If somebody requires, I can serve. I'm ready. But don't over involve with everybody. You will have sufficient problems in life. And people are such, little thing they will give you. Supposing they took you for a lunch, and then you are flat with that. So nice boy is there, so nice person is there. Don't be tempted by these small lollipops. Don't be penny wise and pound foolish. They will give some gift. They will give some nice pen, and after that they will give you pain. They will take a cost of that pen, and you will feel obliged also. See, he gave me, he took care of me, he will ask you all the time, how are you? 10 times he will fire. If you are having fever, shall I give you something? You will be very flat. Some people are sympathy addict, and they like the person who gives them sympathy. All these are very bad habits. Jan kripa naishtoryam utsrajata. Is good, very good. I'm not saying you should be hard or harsh with anybody. I'm not saying that. Don't misinterpret me. I'm not saying you should be curt or hard or harsh or you should speak rudely with somebody. I'm not saying that. I'm saying only you should have a sense that this much involvement is good. We should not be compromising on our dharma system. Nobody should be in your mind to occupy your mind. So dharma, so morality means what? Three things essentially. First is this. Second is, if you have money matters, you should be very clear whether you are working in house or office. You should be well accountable. This much money I have, this I spent. Nobody should be able to raise finger that this person is lot of office he gives and money matters here. It will become, because you will see millions sometime in your office. Millions you can go do here and there. Never do that. These two things form his relation with the sentient being and his relation with the inert money. These two things. And third thing, anger. If this anger should be controlled, that three things forms the moral lifestyle of a person. These three things can consume your whole mind. Very involving area. Okay. Trividas narakasyadam dwaram nashanam atmana. I hope you are clear about that. I am giving you a warning bell. These are not told in the school, college. So in the name of friendship, in the nation, you will feel like getting a very, very maja aa raha hai, joy is there, very joy. There is a nasha in it. There is intoxication in it. All these things have a lot of intoxication in it. It needs some courage to be not intoxicated. And if you don't believe, please go ahead. I'm not stopping you. You go ahead. Please involve as much as possible. And come back after 20 years. If you have punya to come in the ashram. So this is the first thing. Na virato duscharita. Kya Vedant Bandhan padega? What will he already? He is mentally already. He is so much caught up. So much he is full. Your mind will not be with you after that. Forget about Vedanta. Regular your college things you can't study. Your regular work you can't do. So much you will be under the influence of some thought. Ideally, life should be whenever I want to leave anybody from my mind, shut up, I have to do the work. The freedom of involvement and withdrawal should be in your hand. Next word is, this is the word, this is typical Anvay is there. Those who want to know Sanskrit, this is a typical Anvay. You know what is the Anvay? Yaha duscharitat aviritat na bhavati. You have to make 4 sentences here, 3 sentences. Yaha, I have made this right or not, the Anvay? I made you right. So see, it must be written. Written. Different Anvays. Yaha duscharitat aviritat na bhavati. So 2 negative, it making positive. So saha pragyanen enam amapnuyat. So you have to place with all 3. यह दुश्चरितात अवरितात न भवति. यह दुश्चरितात् अवरितात् न भवति. Bhavati you have to add. इसका अनुभव अजीब सही है. So one who is not withdrawn from bad character, who is not withdrawn from the bad character, he attains this knowledge. Who is not withdrawn. अरे क्यों परेशान कर रहे हमको, why they are troubling, हम ऐसे ही ऑलरेडी हम troubled person. सीधे से क्यों नहीं बोलते यार who is withdrawn? Who is not withdrawn from bad character, he attains that knowledge. Okay भैया ठीक है, जो मर्जी बोल लो आपसे. Similarly, second is ashantah. Second word is ashantah. यह ashantah na bhavati. If you are not knowing that much Sanskrit, you can relax. So that means here ashanta means, Bhaskar writes, indriya laulyat, making the sense organs tickle a lot. So damaha is there. Shat sampatti was there, which I know you all remember by heart by now. So damaha was there. Thank you, not asked. You did not ask. Anytime I can ask, and I am repeating you. If Sadhan Chatushta you don't know, and Shat Sampatti you don't know, you have to write not 11 times, now 50 times. Well, I'll die. Never mind. I don't mind. So, notes is also there, by arting is also there, Arti also is there, Ramayana also is there, Sanskrit class also is there. So much we never study in our college also. So, that is meaning of damaha. Damaha means what? Indriya nigraha. Means what? One's senses should be not. Senses are a very big area to bring lot of thoughts from outside. The problem with the senses is, supposing somebody eyes are uncontrolled. Uncontrolled eyes means he sees a lot of thought it will bring from outside world, which is a garbage thought. It will not be a good thought. When sense organ is uncontrolled, at this technical point, whatever required you see. But supposing you have habit of browsing through YouTube a lot, you have opened one area of lot of unnecessary thoughts are coming inside your mind. In the name of surfing something, you are surfing other things also. Habit है हमारी, क्या करें? Or you are playing games on the mobile, you have card game and all these games. So it becomes addiction. When you are free, you open that, there is a card, you can shift it like that. Or there is a game where the ball goes in the tunnel, so you shift like that. The ball is there, and you play with that all alone. So it has to go in that goal. I have seen all these things. In my mobile also was there. I did not know that it is in my mobile also. Lot of games are there. I don't know how to play. This is the thing. Lot of cards are there. Like this, small cards are there. I don't know how to play those cards. Neither I want to know. So foolish things. And what is there? Where you see the photograph? Huh? Pentagon? Huh? Pinterest. A Pinterest is there. It has a lot of photographs. But one is enough for you. One area is enough for you. अब फंस गए आप. And there is where Dhamma means take vows and no, I will only watch for half an hour. In the name of recreation and so-called relaxation, we spoil 4 hours, 3 hours, and see all nonsense, maybe unwanted things also. Then all photographs will be there, actor will be there, actresses there will be a Western world, Hollywood, Bollywood. You don't know Tollywood. And then you will start very simple, how to make halwa. Right? You will think I have to make halwa for Swamiji. This is how it starts. And in that matter, they have such a way to attract you. One photograph, it will take you, then you click there, it will take you, don't know where you will go. And you think, no, I'm gaining knowledge, I should have more knowledge. Nothing you gain, you lose your time. You did not write your notes also. Neither you by hearted Gita shlokas, I told you. Neither you know your Shreyascha Priyascha is also, you are stuck up in that. That also you did not by heart. Sanskrit homework also you not do. You are coming without doing any homework in the class, sitting like a log of wood, not answering anything. And this is slowly, with this habit, you slowly think, I'm not a good student. You have made yourself like that. Don't think I have no time. Everybody has sufficient time. Bill Gates also had 24 hours. Mahatma Gandhi also had 24 hours. And Sundar Pichai, who is the chief of Google, he also has 24 hours. He is hardly under 50 only. Then we waste our time. Or any worker has come outside, construction worker. I start chatting with, hello, how are you? Fine. Today's holiday, yes. Start chatting there. He said, I'm not. Well, okay, I'll give you Panado. I give Panado there. Okay, I'm giving you some money also. Okay, take 10 rand. Thank you very much. Thank you. Right? Again, I'll ask him, how are you? Then he will say something. Then I will say, Acha. Then he will say, okay, I'll give you one Bible. Okay, give me the Bible. Or he says, I'll give you Quran. So I'll start reading Quran there. Uncontrolled mouth. Very bad habit. Uncontrolled eyes. Uncontrolled hand. Sitting there, taking out the grasses. Supposing I go in my room and get water. They go in the room, start seeing the books here and there. I'm waiting for what? Or any book is there, somebody else's book, started opening somebody else's book. It's a very bad habit some people have. If you have to open, please ask him first, can I see your book? But uncontrolled mind. Talking to everybody. Unnecessary. That means a person has no love for his sadhana and goal. Sadhana, if you love, then you say, no, I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry. Ho gaya. Bas, I gave your time. I sleep with my watch also. Not from my college days, school days. Only when taking bath, I take this watch out. My one eye is on my watch. No time nahi hamare paas. I have to chant certain Upanishad mantras, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, some chanting is there, some puja is there, reply to the mail, some people talking is there, some are waiting on the phone. So person who is loose, he's loose everywhere, slowly. Supposing there's a dripping starts, it starts leaking, but if you leak that leak, that becomes very big leak later on. If you leave the small leak. So you start with very small only, casually, but casual becomes out of control later on. So be very, very careful in life. Okay? With your YouTube, television, don't touch it also. Well, need not. Everything is in my phone now. Don't see more than half an hour. And which is addictive like Pinterest, etc., let it rest forever. Newspaper, if you want to see, you'll decide, okay, I'll see only for half an hour, 15, only this newspaper I'll see. Every stage I have to keep my sense organ, they are terrible. This is called damaha. And third thing is samahitaha. So what is samahitaha? Samahita means anekagramana vikship chitta is not there. You do not have unfocused mind. You start one thing, right? Started writing notes. You wrote 4 line, 3 line. After that, you went to have a glass of water. 3 lines you wrote. Then you started seeing phone. Then again you wrote 4 line. By the time link was made, you broke the link. Then somebody you thought. Then you started doing like. Exercise started. Then again write 4 line. Then you started thinking. When 15th this course will be over, what will I eat first? Then again started. Then you thought, I think one day I should get something for everybody, some pasta, pizza for everybody, all the students. Something should be there for everybody. I think should be there. How much will it cost? How many people should I bring? Don't bring in the yagna, a lot of people are there. So let us have something when only students are there. Okay. I think I should bring something. Okay. Then again 2 lines. Anekagramana is there. Tell to mind, unless this job is over, you're not going to continue. Again, I'll go to the bathroom. Again, I'll come back. Again, I'll eat something. Again, I'll drink a lot of water. Again, I'll start. So this way of non-focused, you can make out from the notes that this is he has gone through many sittings in the notes. His note is not in one stroke he has written. Because there's disconnectivity is there. The flow is disturbed. Writing is different. See, here writing is different, here writing is different. Oh, you see everything? Yes. One paragraph, writing is different. When he started, this writing is here. See, here he has gone this, here he has again started. In one page, five times handwriting, I think he has got up in between. At a stroke, he can't do it. And we have trained our mind like that. Anekagramana should not be there. Be focused in your life, in your work. Okay. Fourth thing is, what is written? Ashant manasaha. Va api na bhavati. Here ashant manasing, mano nigraha. That means absorbed mind. That means if you want, mind can be contemplative, meditative. Just close your eyes and you should be able to absorb your mind. Where? On your first eye. And supposing this is there, then this knowledge is. Because the challenge is, you hear, but you have to retain that knowledge. Let the thought be with you for a longer time. Okay. So 4 things are there. The moral lifestyle should be fine. Dama Indriya Nigra should be there. Na Ashantaha, na Asamahitaha. That means focused. Na Asamahitaha. Bhashika writes there. Na Samahitaha. Samahit Chittaha. Samahit Chittopi. Samahit Chittaha. Anekagramana. Ashant manasa means ashant vyaprit chitta, preoccupied with material results, what I will get. So vyaprit chitta means he's thinking I am quiet, let some siddhi come to me. That is also one meaning of this ashant manasa. Vyaprit chitta, Bhaskar writes, preoccupied with material results. There's also one meaning is there. So these 4 things should be avoided. Next verse, let me come to it. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so afraid. You should be. spiritual life, when you are coming to the ashram, we had one camp in Rewa. So in school, I was there. So they had one camp in Rewa. Rewa is a place in Madhya Pradesh. So school said from 8 to 5 there will be one camp. So school children came with bat, ball, wicket. Okay, bhai, what is this? They said we'll play cricket, no? I said no. Here I will bowl with my words, and you have to hold to that. Let me see how you play that cricket. Children were there, 12th class, 11th class. I said, keep the bat, keep bat ball. But it is a camp. I said, it is a spiritual camp. It's not a club camp where you put on cap and all these things. Ashram life means you have come for something deeper, something more beautiful, divine. Oh, ठीक है. But they were very good boys. They got into tune and they were very happy later on.